Yes, you also read well, and you have to, yes, pronunciation also good. Yes, still you can improve your speed. So, okay, right, you can mute. Okay, I will mute. Yes. So now I think everyone who raised their hands, they have, yeah, have got a chance. Okay, remaining also you try to read it your home with your own. Okay, and if you won't know that much pronunciation also, no problem. But why you have to learn these words? Because if unknowingly, if this ignorance or these type of words will come in the exam, you have to, you can, it will be easier for you. Okay, without knowing also, if you study this, majority of the villagers are innocent. If you study this sentence for 3 to 4 times, you will be get to know somewhat, at least little bit of that meaning of that sentence. Without knowing also, you can go ahead, but it takes somewhat time. So if you want to, if you so in the examination also, they will give unseen passage now. So what you have to do means, this till maths, in mental ability maths, you have to complete as fast as possible. So without any disturbance or without any giving gaps, you have to complete fastly. One more Maitreyi also raised. Okay, okay, right.
Majority of the villagers are innocent, or as farmers do not have much money with them, they could not buy good seeds and fertilizer. He had to take loans from money leaders, take advantage the profit, pro, poverty of the
Poverty,
farmers,
poverty.
money leaders, poverty of the money of the farmers, money leaders,
Lenders,
lenders,
lenders.
lend at high money lenders lend at highest rates of interest. In this way, the farmers lived they filled with debts due
Their
to
lives
the
filled with the
ignorance.
debts. Okay.
They
Okay,
could
right, right.
not they could not know the modern methods of cultivation, and hence they could not raise their yield with the result. Their income remains at low. To solve the final problem, government is doing its best to strengthen this effort. Farmers should also know hard work to solve their problems with their co- co- corporate cooperative effort. Majority of the problems can solve if people are ready to co- cooperate. Cooperate, they can achieve anything.
Okay, okay. I have seen. Okay, you tried well, but still need improvement. Lots of improvement, Maitreyi. Okay. How many hours you read today? How many hours
Seven
you read
hours.
today? Read. Need
Sir,
improvement lot in the sense of.
not.
Okay, good. You have told, honestly. You have told it's good, but you have to read. You have to, because your speed reading you will improve it. Without knowing this pronunciation also, it's not that much important, but the speed is first priority, because the time will be saved a lot. Okay, right, I will read. So what they are given, I will also read as a new person. Majority of the villages are innocent, as farmers do not have much money with them. They could not buy good seeds and fertilizers. He had to take loans from money lenders. Taking advantage the poverty of the farmers, money lenders lend at higher rates of interest. In this way, the farmers' lives are filled with debts. Due to this ignorance, they could not know the modern methods of cultivation and hence they could not raise their yield. With the result, their income remains at low. To solve this financial problem, government is doing its best. To strengthen these efforts, farmers should also work hard to solve their problems. With the cooperative effort, majority of the problems can solve. If people are ready to cooperate, they can achieve anything. So in this, if I will feel I don't know the meaning. It is the meaning of this debts or ignorance or this poverty, but still I have to go through the question once again, then I have to go through the passage. Means that relevant, at least I must be have the talent to pick the relevant sentence in the passage. Okay, that's the first priority. Why the farmers could not buy good seeds and fertilizers? Okay, they have given seeds and fertilizers, good seeds and fertilizers, so I have to go for good seeds and fertilizers. So in this sentence or in after this sentence, answer will be there. They are asking why farmers could not buy good seeds, why they are unable to buy good seeds and fertilizer. Majority of villagers are innocent. Okay, it's not relevant, it's irrelevant. As farmers do not have much money with them, as farmers do not have much money with them, they could not buy good seeds and fertilizers. So why means they could not have. Without seeing the options, I can tell why they cannot buy the good seeds and fertilizers, because as farmers do not have much money with them, they could not buy good seeds and fertilizers. So he has to buy them from money lenders. No, it's wrong. He won't buy from money lenders. He take money from money lenders. Money lenders means money lenders. Lenders. Okay. If you read this again and again, you'll get to know. Or if you want also, no problem. You have to pick from the passage accurate one. So they are asking why he does not have sufficient money with him. That's only given na. As farmers do not have much money with him. Much money did not have means he did not have much money, or he did not have sufficient money also. Accurate, appropriate. Okay. Government is not solving his problem. It's also wrong. It's not there in the passage. And seeds and fertilizers are not freely available. It's also wrong. So absolutely correct answer is 2, because as farmers do not have much money with them, they could not buy good seeds. It's also direct question. So without knowing this innocent poverty, these all sentence also we can. Okay, now I'll see how we can solve. The reason for low income of farmers. Low income of farmers. So why low income? Income they are asking. The income remains at low. I have found speedily because I am observing deeply. With the results, see here, they have given with the results, their income remains low. Means they have given with the results means it will reflect in before sentence. Okay. In this, okay. Why I have reflected in before sentence? Because in this sentence they didn't give an answer. With the results, their income remains at low. To solve this financial problem, this is after this sentence. Okay. You have to, if you study this before sentence only, you will get to know. Okay. Due to the ignorance, they could not know the modern methods of cultivation and hence they could not raise their yield due to the ignorance. Okay, if you don't know the meaning of ignorance, ignorance means neglecting. But if I am also 5th class child, so I am facing this as a I don't know the meaning of ignorance. So now I am facing due to the ignorance, they could not know the modern methods. I have picked relevant one to the question. That's why I have to read this sentence. If I read it for 5 times also, it's not a mistake because I am finding accurate answer. Okay. Due to this ignorance, they could not know the modern methods of cultivation and hence they could not raise their yield. So what's the answer? The reason for their low income of the farmers is they could not raise, yes, direct answer. They could not raise his yield. Our money lenders are charging heavy interest. It's not the reason. It's there in the passage, but it's not the reason. They have asked that reason for low income of farmers. If they take lots of interest also, interest means vaddi, appu తీసుకున్నా గానీ, if they take lots of interest also, if they వాళ్ళ పంటని మంచి yield అంటే మంచి if they sow, if they plant lots of plants with a good manner, means good manner means high yield, means perfect yield. That's then they will get more profits now. They will sell all their farmings to government or outside money, this what we'll call shopkeepers. Then they will get lots of profit. So but they here direct pass, you don't think out of the box. In this only they have given, due to the ignorance they could not know the modern methods of cultivation, and hence they could not raise their yield. With the results their income remains at low. So answer is he could not. Okay, I will unmute everyone. If the session is ends, so once again join. We will complete this passage only. We'll take not more than 10 minutes, and we will complete within 10 minutes. Okay, you can join again after freezing of this class. Okay. Everyone agreed this sentence, this answer. He could not raise his yield. But I have known, I have think out of the box. That's why I have got it. But you have to, what you have to do? You have to read this again and again. You have to, if you read for 10 times also, it's not your, it's